This question is in two parts. In first part, this is given a condition. Fx satisfy this condition. Then we have to find the function fx. And in second part, it is given that y is equal to 9fx x square, where fx is the function that satisfies this condition. Then we are required to find the interval in which y is increasing. First, we will solve this problem and find fx, then we will solve this problem. To solve this problem, whenever we say that when we put 1 by x in place of x, we get, many students had this confusion that this condition is satisfied for x, not for 1 by x. Then why we put 1 by x in place of x? I will answer this question. Here, domain of fx is not given, but it is understood that all real numbers for which fx is defined, f1 by x is defined, lie in the domain of fx. Suppose domain of fx has number 2. Then it is clear that when we put 2 in place of this x, here is 1 by 2, here is 1 by 2, f1 by 2, f1 by 2 will be defined, and this will give some value only when 1 by 2 is also in the domain. It is understood that when we put numbers from domain in place of x, for every number in the domain, this condition is satisfied. If we suppose this x, then this becomes 1 by x. But every number in domain can be put in place of x. That means this number can be put in place of x, this number can also be put in place of x. That means 1 by x can also be put in place of x. That is why we say that when we put 1 by x in place of x, we get and starts our solution in this way. Now we will solve this problem. This condition is given. We suppose this as number 1. Now we put 1 by x in place of x. In place of x. Then we get 5f1 by x plus 4f1 by x. Then x will go in the numerator, fx is equal to 1 by x square minus 4. Suppose this is number 2. Now we multiply 1 by 5. Then 1 times 5 implies that 25 fx plus 20f 1 by x is equal to 5x square minus 20. Now we multiply two number by 4. 2 times 4 implies that 20 f1 by x plus 16 fx is equal to 4 by x square minus 16. Now we subtract this from this. 1 times 5 minus 2 times 4 implies that when we subtract, this will be negative, here will be negative sign, here will be negative sign, here will be positive sign. After subtracting, this and this will be cancelled out. 25fx minus 16fx will be 9fx is equal to 5x square minus 4 by x square minus 20 plus 16 minus 4. Now we can easily find fx by dividing both sides by number 9. That means we can find fx. But in this question it is given that y is equal to 9fx x square. Here is 9. Therefore we don't need to find fx by dividing 9. We leave 9 here. Now we multiply both sides by x square. Then we get 9fx x square is equal to 5x4 minus 4 minus 4x square. 9fx x square is y. That means y is equal to 5x4 minus 4x square minus 4. Now in the question we are asked to find the interval in which y is increasing. Whenever we have to find the interval in which y is increasing or y is decreasing, first step that we do is that we differentiate y with respect to x. That means we find dy by dx. dy by dx. dy by dx will be 5 dx4 by dx minus 4 dx square by dx minus d4 by dx. Now we have formula of differentiation that dx to the power n by dx is equal to n times x to the power n minus 1. By applying this formula, we can write dy by dx is equal to 5 times 4x cube minus 4 times 2x minus, we have formula that d constant number, any constant number, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 10, any constant number by dx is equal to 0. Therefore d4 by dx will be equal to 0. This will be 20x cube, this will be 8x. That means dy by dx is 20x cube minus 8x. Now we will find solution of this equation. dy by dx is equal to 0. Solution of this equation. dy by d. Solution of this equation does not mean that we find y. Not y. We write a equation dy by dx is equal to 0 where dy by dx is this. That means 20x cube minus 8x is equal to 0. That means we want to know that for which x dy by dx is 0. For which x dy by dx is 0. This implies 4x 5x square minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 0 plus minus 2 by 5 root 2. Now we sketch a real line from minus infinity to plus infinity. On this real line, we put all values of x obtained here in order. That means a smaller number will be written first, minus 2 by 5 root under. After that 0 will be written, and after that 2 by 5 root under. 2 by 5 root under will be written. Now values from any interval. There are this interval minus infinity to less than this number, greater than this number, less than this number. This is second interval. This is third interval, greater than 0, less than root under 2 by 5. And this is fourth number interval, greater than this number up to infinity. Number except these three numbers, any number lying either in this interval or this interval or this interval or this interval, any interval, we will put that number in place of x in this dy by dx and see whether result is a positive number or a negative number. 1 is greater than this number. Why? Because 2 by 5 is less than 1. Therefore, root of 2 by 5 will be less than root of 1. That means 2 by 5 root under will be less than 1. That means 1 is on the right hand side of this root under 2 by 5. When we put 1 in place of x in dy by dx, we get dy by dx for x is equal to 1 is 20 times 1 cube means 20 minus 8 times 1 means 8. 20 minus 8, that is equal to 4, and 4 is positive. That means we get some positive number when we put a number lying in this interval. This root separate this interval and this interval, and it occur 1 times. That means odd number of times. Therefore, sign of dy by dx will change in this interval. If it is positive in this interval, this will be negative. Sign of what? Sign of dy by dx. When we put any number lying in this interval in place of x in this dy by dx, we will get some negative number. Similarly, this 0 occur odd number of times. therefore sign will change, positive. This root also occur one times, that means odd number of times, therefore sign will change on the two side of this root, negative. Now dy by dx is positive for any number lying in this interval, and it is also positive for any number greater than this number. The interval in which dy by dx is positive, y is increasing in that interval, curve is going up, that means y coordinate is increasing, y is increasing, therefore y will increase in this interval and in this interval, that means y will increase in y is strictly increasing in minus 2 by 5 root under 0 union 2 by 5 root under plus infinity. This is the interval in which y is increasing.